Abhay, thank you so much for your time. Could you please share more around your organization and your role with our audience?
I'm mainly responsible for managing entire tech operation at StepSetGo, making sure everything right from the front end to the back end is working as expected. The productivity of the team is also a very important part that I look into. Mostly, it's around all the tech operations which are required in the organization, right?
What are you most excited about in the evolution of cloud technology?
The most exciting thing that I would say when it comes to cloud infrastructure, and I'm looking forward to, is utilizing ML on a real time basis. All the applications or the features that we need to build for the users, right?
How does Google Cloud add value to StepSet Go and to your customers, Abhay?
So it's been quite a good journey so far with the Google Cloud. We migrated in 2019 December. It's the migration was pretty successful because we partnered with Sears. So we were running our applications on VMs earlier, but they helped us migrate to a Kubernetes based environment, and because of which just now we are able to scale up pretty quickly and manage up to 8,000 requests per second on our infrastructure.
More and more people embrace fitness at home. I'm one of them too. How have the needs of the users evolved? And do you see Google Cloud partnering with you in solving for these evolving needs?
Like, of course, there was a dip in the walking patterns. People started having a sedentary lifestyle, but we wanted to understand on how we can improve it. What are their engagement points where we can engage with them, motivate them a little bit to make sure that their fitness activity is up to the mark, right? So it was a thing where we analyzed the data in BigQuery, made sure that all the requirements and all the points which we need to introduce and validate a feature like this is in place, right?
What are the key business areas that you are either continuing, protecting, or doubling down on this period?
Communication was becoming quite a little bit problematic, but in future we want to move to a space where we automate quite a lot of things when it comes to text perspective. And from a product standpoint, I would say that increasing engagement, making sure that customer satisfaction is at the top priority. Like, every customer at StepSetGo is a prime member, and we need to satisfy all the requirements when it comes to engagement, their fitness, their motivation, etc.
How do you expect Google Cloud to support you and to help you in achieving these goals?
One is definitely Google Maps, and then it comes to ML, Google Cloud ML, to make sure to build new models, to improve the existing models, and to build new models for fraud detection, for post detection. I would say cloud security as well is another thing that we are again exploring. So these are the few products that we are exploring to make sure that the requirements which are there for the customers are satisfied.